Find the Norton equivalent circuit of the circuit in figure at terminals AB. Solution. First we will redraw the circuit. Now we will find Rn, turn off all the independent sources. So we will turn off all the independent sources. This 10 ampere is the current source. So this will be turn off. When we turn off the current source, then that will be a open circuit. Now this 2Vx is the dependent source. So to find Rn, we will apply 1 volt voltage source. Let's say this is VO with 1 volt and this is IO. So from this we can find the value of Rn. Rn will be equal to VO, which is 1 by IO. So we need to find IO to find Rn. So to find IO, let's say this is node VA, this is grounded. Now let's say this is current I1. Let's assume this is I1 and this is I2. So apply KCL at node VA. So summation of all the entering current is I1 plus IO, I1 plus IO is equal to I2. I1 will be, this will be 2Vx minus 2Vx minus VA minus 2Vx minus VA by 6, then plus IO, then is equal to I2. Now I2 is VA minus 0 by 2. Now as we can see that Vx is connected to ground, this VA is also connected to ground, and across VA and Vx this VO is connected. So VA and Vx is equal to 1. VA is equal to Vx is equal to VO is equal to 1 volt. So from this will be IO is equal to VA by 2 or directly 1 by 2, then this will be plus 2 into 1, then plus, this will be 1 by 6. So IO is equal to 1 by 2, then plus 2 into 1 plus 1 by 6. So this is equal to 1 ampere. Rn is equal to 1 by IO. Rn is equal to 1 by IO. So 1 by 1 is equal to 1 ohm. Therefore, Rn is equal to 1 ohm. Next we have to find In. So to find In, short circuit terminal AB. Short circuit terminal AB. So this will be circuited and this will be current IN. Now when we short circuit A and B, Vx is equal to 0. This Vx is equal to 0. So this will be 2 into 0 is equal to 0. And when the voltage source is 0, then that will be a short circuit. So this will be short circuit. And this will be 0 or short circuited. Then from this we can say IN is equal to 10 ampere. Now we have the value of IN and RN. What we have to find? We have to find the Norton equivalent circuit. So Norton equivalent circuit this will be a current source of IN. IN is equal to 10 ampere. This will be a resistance RN. RN is equal to 1 ohm. This is terminal A, this is terminal B. For electrical and electronics engineering related questions and answers, visit the link in the description below.